I'm here with Alex, my good buddy at White Coat Productions. He's making me do this because I don't like unboxings, and so he's making me do it. This should be the Red Raptor. Oh baby. Oh man. Oh yes. I'm speechless. I can't believe this is mine now. Here it is. No. This is exactly how I felt when I was opening the Komodo. Oh damn. What do you think? I told you it's small. Look at this thing. Oh. See, this is so much better than the Komodo. I mean, there's no room on the Komodo for this, but it's gonna be so easy to change settings. GDU, because I love Jared Land. PL mount from Breakthrough. I'm gonna lock it. Oh, this locking mechanism is so clutch. That's perfect. Wow. I don't even know what to say. It's just really small. You can feel it's heavier than a Komodo, but it's really not that big. I don't know. I'm super happy. But this isn't the only thing that came today, so. All right, this is also coming from LA. It's 1 out of 40 sets made. And that's it, limited edition. I think I got like the second to last one, and then the last one just sold at Cine Gear over the weekend. You know, I've never even seen a Vista before in my life, because there's none in Singapore, so this is the first. Oh. My new doggy vloggy lenses. Oh, this finish is so nice. Oh, I love the gray. I don't even know how to open this. Oh, it's not that heavy. It is big, but it's really not that heavy. Yo, this is so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh, so smooth. VistaVision camera, VistaVision lenses. Oh yeah. Wow, it's like a Canon. I don't have a lens support right now, but this is totally a good vlogging setup. All right, you can rent these in Singapore. Come find me if you visit. Oh, I don't know what to say. I'm just so happy. All right, thanks for watching. Alex, do you want to take a look?